Hi friends, welcome to Pilates Nest. I'm Smriti and today we have a gentle standing Pilates routine for the morning to get your day off on the right note so you can have an amazing day ahead. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start standing tall, no mat is needed. Anchor your feet down onto the ground and rest the hands by your side. Take a full breath in, filling up the lungs with fresh air. And exhale, let the shoulders relax. Inhale, raise the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, palm faces down as you let your shoulders relax. Inhale, circle the arms up, reaching up to the sky. And exhale, melt the shoulders down your back as you lower the hands by your side. One more time. Inhale, raise the palms up. And exhale, float the arms down by your side. Anchoring your feet, standing tall and strong. For chest opener. Bring both hands forward. Flex the wrist and open the palms out to the side. Feeling the stretch all the way through the forearm and the wrist. And bring the hands back in. Opening the arms out, opening the chest. Option to add a little upper back extension as you lift the chest up to the sky, arching just the upper back, and then bring the hands back forward, right in front of the shoulder. Open the arms out to the side, flexing the wrists, lifting the chest to the sky, stretching the front of the body, stretching the back of the body, and exhale to bring it back in. Lower the hands down, going into alternating knee bend. So from here, you're going to bend one knee forward and then switch, lower that heel down and switch. So this is a great way of warming up our joints, our ankles, our feet, knees and hip, going up and down. Shine those kneecap forward. So you can just check to look down. Mine tend to want to go externally. I don't know about you, but sometimes I have to look down to make sure they're facing the right way and going up and down. You can go slower if you like here, especially if it's the first thing in the morning. We need to be a little bit more gentle, right? And switch, switch. So aim to go straight up and down rather than forward. Realigning that spine, creating balance and ease. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower both heels down. From here, lift both heels up to the sky as you bring the arms out to the side and lower the hands back down. So a gentle movement to warm up the body, awaken the body as you bring the arms up and down, lifting the arms from the scapula. So I want you to focus on initiating from the shoulder blades to bring the arms up because the arms are connected to the back, right? Inhale, lift up. Exhale, float the body back down. I'm already feeling a little bit of a heat on my calves. How about you? Keep going. You don't have to go as high as me. You can go smaller. Find a version that works best for you this morning or whenever you're practicing this, right? So progress over perfection. Listen and honor your body. And lower. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1, and lower the hands down for side stretch. Bring one arm up to the sky and reach the spine up and over, drawing a rainbow. We're starting your day with a rainbow. Let the chin relax. Feel that stretch all along the ribs and the side abdominals through the hip. Doesn't it feel so good? Let that bottom hand just relax. And restack your spine back up, bone by bone by bone. Lower the hand down. Inhale, reach the other arm up. Exhale, stretch up and over, restoring mobility, flexibility of our spine and our hips. Keep the hips squared, facing towards me as much as you can. Let that bottom hand relax. And restack your spine back up. Beautifully done. Other arm goes up. And exhale, float up and over, lengthening through the top of the head. Let your jawline relax. Shine a little smile towards me. Breathe. Keep that spine reaching up and away. Hips squared. Feet are anchored to help you balance and feel connected. And rebuild that posture back up. Up. Reach up and over. This feels so good, right? So this is an exercise you can do anytime during the day as well or at the end of the day to restore that good feeling. And lower the hands back down. Rest the hands by your side. One more each way. Going up and float up and over. Breathe and enjoy how good this feels. Really anchor through both feet. Equally balanced on both feet. Using your toes and your heels to help you balance. Restack the spine. One last time. Going up and over with ease and grace. Ribs are in. And rebuild that posture back upright. Lower the hands down for a roll down. From here, legs are hip distance apart. So I'm just turning around so you can get a better view of me. Imagine your body's against a wall. So you have your legs about hip distance apart. From here, peel your head off that wall. Exhaling out all the air. And then your shoulders. Upper back. Middle back. Lower back. Option to bend the knees here if you need to here. Perfectly fine. And restack your spine back up. Bone by bone. Lift the hips up. Lower back. Middle back. Upper back. Neck and the head. Fling the ponytail over to the side if you got on your face. Nod the chin to chest. Exhale. Reach up and over. Feel that good stretch along the back. Through the glutes and the hamstrings. The calves, remember you can bend your knees here. There's always that option. There's nothing wrong with modifying or adapting the movement to make it work for you, right? Don't take it too seriously. This is your routine to help you feel good and strong so you can do everyday activities with ease and joy and a little bit of smile. Nod the chin to chest. And exhale out all the air. Let the head dangle with ease. From here, we're going to make small circles out, around, and in. Let the shoulders just relax. Taking any pressure off your shoulders here. And then go the other way. Around and in. Around and in. And stack your spine back up. Piece by piece. Lift the ribcage off the hips. Shoulders come over the pelvis. Neck is right in the middle. Stand tall, strong. One last time, bring the arms up, stretching up to the sky. Exhale, rest the hands by your side. And you're all done. Congratulations, you completed this gentle morning standing routine. I hope you're feeling a little bit more ready and energized to take on the rest of your day with more joy and confidence. Let me know how today's practice went for you in the comments. And for more restorative and strengthening Pilates and help to keep this healthy habit and mindset going, be sure to check out the resources around this video, and I'll see you back here very soon.